We get a lot of pictures from home inspectors and from folks just like you about some of the craziest things you've seen around the house or on the job site. All right, boys, who's up first?
That's me. That's me.
All right, what do you got?
So
Mark?
this is actually not a nightmare. See how that wraps around that chimney? That
is it? What do we got?
vegetation.
What do you got?
What are we
Look
looking
at
at?
that. Look at the chimney.
Oh,
Isn't
that's
it
the
blue?
chimney.
That's the chimney.
my
I thought it was a tree.
I did too.
Well, it is a tree. Where'd this come from?
So I was actually driving around my hometown, took a corner, saw that.
So this is one of your neighbors.
This is one of my neighbors.
They're going to
but
appreciate that.
The reason it may not be a nightmare is because people don't know this, but that type of vegetation wrapped around brickwork, not necessarily chimneys, but brickwork, it actually protects the brick. So if I tore that off, I bet you the brick would be in great condition.
And what you do, twice a year, you call the dog groomer in to give it a poodle
and
cut.
little trim.
All right, what else you
How
got?
about this one? All right, do you see anything wrong with this picture?
Yeah.
So this is from Andy in Adams, Massachusetts. This is a washing machine set up right here.
Oh, okay.
And there's a drain and there's a vent. And the vent is supposed to continue up through the roof and let the vent products go
And
up.
something magical happens.
Correct. So this, they put a can of soda in it to act as the cap and sort of...
To block the vent.
Correct, and that's not exactly right. It keeps the sewer gas coming out. But if you actually run the wrong thing down that drain, that could turn into a can of pop.
Wow. Do you get that, Kevin?
Are you writing your own stuff now?
I am.
Dad joke.
Yeah, Dad.
All right,
joke,
look at this,
exactly.
huh? All right, now think about this.
Wow, look at...
All right,
Wait,
look
what's
at it,
going
look
on?
at it, study it. Well, that's an outside wall, but now there's a divider in there, but that's a carrying wall right there. Look at the structure in that wall.
What structure?
Reminds me of an old line that I said on this old house many years ago. I got through this scene like nothing. When you remove structure, you have to replace structure.
I was there. It took you 32 takes to get that.
Yeah, I think it was
Tommy, something you
32.
said many years ago. You said that
32 on
yesterday
center.
and on Monday and
yeah.
last Tuesday. You say it once a
Pay
week.
attention to the picture
Sorry,
I'm
sorry.
showing.
Thank you.
Look at that. I mean, they beat up that structure so bad that what do you do with it? You've got to take it out and reframe it. I mean,
That's got to go.
I mean, that door opening has more structure than that wall.
Is there a header on that entire wall?
if there is, Mark, I don't know where it is.
Anyway, you can see that we enjoy them. So if you've got them, send them our way. Home Inspection Nightmares. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.